Hello GNS3 fans and folks. This is mainly towards the tech support team. There's an issue that I'm experiencing here with the cloud connection in GNS3 1.2 for Mac OSX. It's working, but it's not working, if that makes sense. I figured it's better that I do a video to kind of illustrate what's the issue. Alright, so I'm going to show you the topology that I'm doing this on and essentially what the problem that I'm having is. So this is my topology that I'm working on. It's a mixture between hardware and GNS3 equipment. All of the OSPF Area 0 equipment is all hardware routers, except for this one here. This is actually another computer that I have that's running a Junos image here. But what we're focusing on is I'm trying to connect a GNS3 router to my hardware through the new GNS3 version 1.2. The issue that I'm experiencing is that it doesn't actually send a ping when I try to ping from these two interfaces. Now, router 2 has an interface of 138.210.2.0/24, which is supposed to serve as the edge IP, well, the edge network that's going to be going on for my customers, my simulated customer router. So if I log in here, as I was saying here with router 1, show IP interface brief. This is the interface that I have. I have a switch that's connected to this. Is that this router is connected to? That is a .1Q truck that's handling VLAN 401, and that can also be seen on my GNS3 router here. I tried to do this to see if IOU works with the hardware, but I ended up seeing that the problem seems like it might be GNS3 when I put in an actual iOS router. But router 1 is that GNS3 router, and I'll show IP interface brief. Now, what's odd is that, well, it's not really odd, but when you'll see I'll do this, ping 2.2, well, 2.1, and I get no response, which is actually router 2, which is technically its next top neighbor, operating off of that VLAN, right? So when I go into show IP ARP interface, IP ARP FA00.401, you see that I get an ARP resolution, right? So this is actually the MAC address off of my router 2 interface. If I log back here, you can see that here, EB34 for that interface that's connected to it. So layer 2 looks like it's working, but for some reason the layer 3 pinging isn't operating. I also double checked it too by, I'm gonna log into my switch that's connecting everything. 252 is that one. Description. Alright, so this is my trunk to my iMac, which I'm currently working on. And if I do a show VLAN Mac, so Mac address table dynamic VLAN, and as I said, VLAN 401. You can see the MAC addresses are coming in. This was off my IOU device. I thought it wasn't working as well, but come to find out that layer 2 is operating between the hardware and the GNS3 software, but for some reason layer 3 isn't working. I disabled all my firewalls, all that good stuff, and for some reason I just can't get it operating. It works perfectly fine in 1.1 when I had it connected to the hardware. But now in 1.2 I'm having some issues, so you guys could investigate. Thank you all.